If there are materially disputed facts, it's an unsustainable exercise of discretion to deny bail.
Vladimir Zhukovsky has now been in jail for over 2 years as he awaits trial. He is charged in connection with the crash in June of 2019 that took the lives of 7 motorcyclists. The trial court deciding that Zhukovsky was too dangerous to be released prior to trial.
Every defendant at some level is dangerous. The issue is, what is the level of risk that's unacceptable?
The court still has to find, by clear and convincing evidence, that this defendant was dangerous. And in this case, it was glaring.
The state says the trial court was well within its discretion in not holding an evidentiary bail hearing. Justice Hicks noting the defense has had a chance to make its case.
There have been ample pleadings in terms of the defendant's request for a hearing, and ample responses, ample rejoinders from the state.
The defense contends that the trial court simply accepted the state's evidence as facts when they are in dispute, and that changes the level of danger Zhukovsky presents. The state telling the justices that Zhukovsky's alleged actions speak for themselves.
In this case, the judge specifically found that there were no less restrictive measures that would ensure the safety of the public or the defendant. After he has created carnage in an unfathomable amount and killed 7 people, seriously injured another, and endangered countless people that day, the first thing he does when he gets home is use the rest of his heroin.
Now, the case was heard by just 4 justices, the Chief Justice having been recused as he was Attorney General when the crash happened. There's no word when the justices will rule. Zhukovsky's trial is scheduled for November. Reporting live in Concord, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.